In this video, I'll be teaching you how to make this beaded beret. This particular headwear design is trending and is selling massively. So if you're finding it difficult to achieve this particular design, please don't scroll. This video is for you. Hey guys, I'm Unique Nelo. You're just coming across my channel. I'm the CEO of Unique Creativity and I produce different headwear design. So if you love craft, if you love anything that concerns headwear, I also share different fashion tips that will help you as a fashion designer to grow in your business. If you watch this video and it's helpful to you, please don't forget to like this video. Also give me a follow so you don't miss out different fashion tips. The first material we're using for this design is our thread, okay? This is the big size. You know we have small size of beret and big size. This particular one I'm working here is small sized one. So I advise you to get a big beret, okay? Then we have this sequence bead. You can see it. This sequence bead. This is multicolored sequence bead. It comes in different colors. So this is what we'll be using for this tutorial. Then we'll be using your size 2 sand bead. So we'll also be using this as well. So the first thing you should do is to strand your thread or your fishing line to your beading needle, okay? So this thread here you are seeing here is 4 lines. It's 4, that is why it's thick. So you can use your fishing line, but I prefer using a matching color of thread. This is black, so I'll be using black thread for this. Just get your beading needle and you are good to go. There are two methods of starting this beaded beret, okay? I'll be showing you the first method, then I'll show you the second method. So first of all, I'll start from here. You can see it from the side here. So this is where I will start from. Please, while starting from this side, take note of this inside. You can see it right here. Normally, if you buy your beret, here goes in, right? So if you want to bead, avoid here. You see this tip, this place, avoid it. Just bead from the edge. You understand? From this edge, bead from here, but avoid this place, okay? So let's begin with the beading process. First thing you should do is, remember I said I'll be teaching you from this side. So avoid this point. You can see this edge, avoid it. So I'll just, there's a line. I don't know how to show you. See this invisible line. You can see this line here. That's where we'll start from. If you fold in, notice that's the tip. Understand? So from this here, from this point to start beading, just take and do this way, okay? And pass through it again the way you're seeing it. And wrap. Can you see this? This will help too, not your thread. So let's start beading. So I'm showing you the beading process. See, whether you bead or not, this tutorial will help you. It's quite easy. So just pay attention. You see how I do the first method and second method. If you watch closely, you notice that it has one side that is deep. You can see it this way, or this place that is high. This side is deep. Why here? This back part is tough. So you can use here or here. Okay, you can use this side. This side. I've tried both sides. I've tried both, but recently I preferred using this part that is coffee, this back part here. See it. Prefer using this instead of using this big part. So just turn it this way. Then you pick your sand bead. You pick 4 pieces. Then you place it this way and pass your needle through the thread. See it. Please, while sewing, avoid tacking this one here. You understand? Then bring it out very close. Very close to the next one. Very close to it. That's it. Then I'll pick another one again. Left or transfer. This one. And drag it down. That's it. Then pass it down this way. The next one. Just very close to it. That's what I'm doing. We continue. Can you see? I'll pick another one again. Remember I said go through the deep part. The deep part, okay? Okay. I'll go again. Don't forget to avoid this inner part. Please avoid it too. Listen. If you fold it in, this is the outcome. If you fold in, you can see it's lying at the tip, at the edge of the cap. So you continue this way, continue beading. You can start making this in bulk and sell to, if sell at wholesale price. You can even as well get people to help you. You be their major distributor. Yes, that is business. And sell to people. They're buying from you. So you can see this, how this is nice. Wow, this is beautiful. So I will sew round and I'll show you how you can go to the next step. Okay. So I want to complete the last part of it. I've picked my beads. Then let's see this way and cover up the last space. Okay. Alright, so this is the outcome. You can see it's neatly beaded, right? So once I'm done with this, for this second line here, it's either you cut out this thread, okay, or you continue passing it along. You can just form your knot, tie the thread there and cut it out, or you just pass it. So let me show you how to pass and continue. So this bead is the last one, this particular one you're seeing here. Right, so I'll pass in between this bead here, this particular bead, this one here, passing in between it. So that's what I just did, right? But why doing this? Why doing this? Shift your hand a little. You just shift it a little. I'll just pick one baby here and pick. You continue. You understand? Pass it very close to the next one again and drag it out. See this. You continue the next one again. Let me pass this one. Pass it again in between here. But this time, because my needle is short, I just drop it down here and I form my knot. That's it. So true now. Cut this out. That's how it is. So I will pick up my thread again and pass through here. Pass it through this point here. That's it. Then you knot it as usual. Pass it back again. You knot. So also, once I don't dragging it, you continue with the same process, okay? So you can see the outcome. Okay. So I'm going to continue the same process right round again. So you can see I've completed the second line, right? Okay, so next thing I'll be doing now is to show you the second method. You can see this center, right? Just pass your needle round it, very close to it. So pass your needle there, then you lock your needle, okay? Don't forget to lock before you continue to bead. You just drag it this way, like this. Round this, okay, round it. Place it down. Then pass your needle around it. Bring it down this way. Now pick another one. I said round, round, go round. And drag it up. Then I'll pick another one again. Then pass it out this way. Then we complete the circle, that's it. So this is the first step. That's it, right? So you can either tie if you want. You can either form your knot here or you continue beading. This one we're doing now is to pass through in between this line. Don't forget to shift your hand. You pass through in between this line. at the center of it, at the center, right? So you pick again, keep it this way, then grab out. So that just it. The same method, the same process. But while doing it, you're shifting your hand small. So it won't cross down on top of each other. You shift your hand and pick another one again. And shift your hand small. And pass it out. Okay? And going on. So I'll continue this process until see it. Do this process round. Starting the third layer, same thing I taught you, okay? I ended mine here, so I'll be passing it through the center of this one again, but I need to give space, okay? So guys, I've completed this part of the beret, okay? I told you a particular secret. Make sure while beading, I complete the circle before starting off the next line, okay? So this was the process I followed and you can see how it is beautifully made. So I'll continue with this same process to complete this line by line and I will show you the end process once I'm done. One thing you should know about beading is it is time consuming. It needs enough patience. Like the time now is, check out the time, 3:32 a.m. I started this work. I would have showed you guys the time I started. I started this work around 4 o'clock a.m. And see the time I'm ending it. It's almost 24 hours. Hi God, it's not easy. Oh. So if you determine to get this within a day, you can. Just know that in fact you spend almost the whole day doing this. Mine took time because I had to tend to my family, my children, do some other works, then came back to it. That's why I started at 4 a.m. and I'm ending almost at 4 a.m. So you can sell at your pace. It depends the way you want to sell it. So let me check it out and see the way this looks. One thing I love about this beaded beret is it's a luxury cap. It can be worn on any outfit. That's why I recommend people if you want to go into this as bulk business, you can do it. So guys, this is how it's gonna do. I'm so happy doing this. Sincerely, I've been procrastinating on getting this for myself and finally it's here. So you can rock this on any outfit, be it English wear, be it traditional wear, and you're good to go. We call this multi-purpose headwear. So if you enjoyed this video, kindly like this video. Also give me a follow or subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. And if you have other questions, you can drop them in the comment section. See you guys in my next video. Bye.